My family. My family is one of the most important parts of my life because they are the people who always love, support, encourage, and believe in me, even when I face difficult situations or make mistakes, and I feel very lucky and thankful to have people around me who are always ready to listen to my problems, give me useful advice, and help me become a better person every day. There are several people in my family, and although each person has a different personality, different responsibilities, and different opinions, we always try to understand, respect, and support one another, because we believe that a happy family is not about being perfect, but about staying together, communicating openly, forgiving each other, and helping one another whenever someone has a problem. My parents are very kind, hardworking, patient, and responsible people who have taught me many important lessons about life, such as being honest, respectful, responsible, patient, and hardworking, and whenever I feel tired, worried, or disappointed because something does not go according to my plan, they always encourage me to stay strong, learn from my mistakes, and continue working toward my goals instead of giving up. I also enjoy spending time with my brothers and sisters because we can talk about many different things, share funny stories, help each other with our studies or daily responsibilities, watch movies, eat meals together, and sometimes simply sit together and laugh about small things, which may seem simple but actually creates beautiful memories that I will always remember.
In my daily life, my family gives me motivation to study hard, improve my English, develop my skills, and prepare for my future career, because I know that their support gives me confidence when I am learning something new or trying to achieve an important goal, and even when I fail, they remind me that failure is not the end, but an opportunity to learn, improve, and try again.
I believe that family is one of the greatest treasures in life, because money, success, and material things cannot replace the feeling of having people who genuinely care about you, stand beside you during difficult times, celebrate your achievements when you succeed, and encourage you to keep moving forward when life becomes challenging. For me, a happy family is not necessarily a family that has everything, but a family that has love, respect, understanding, trust, communication, and support. Because when family members care for one another and stay together during both good and difficult times, they can create a peaceful and comfortable home where everyone feels safe, valued, and loved. I love my family very much, and I will always appreciate everything they have done for me. So I hope that in the future I can become a successful, responsible, and kind person who can make my family proud, support them when they need me, and give them the same love, care, and encouragement that they have given me throughout my life.